Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the number of uppercase and lowercase letters from a file in Python. So let's start the tutorial. We'll check the again output. When I click, notice here upper letter font 4 and lower letter font 52. Before we got 56, now we got 52 only, lower letters.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is the Python-tutorials. And here we got the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create one new Python file called count upper lower letters file.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is count number of upper and lower letters from a file. So first we require one text file. The text file, what text file will take? Let's take the new file.txt file. This text file contains all the lower letters. Now my aim is I want to read how many small and uppercase letters, lower and uppercase letters from this file using Python. So first read file or file is a variable. Now here I am adding the open method. In this open method I am adding the read mode or for read mode my file name. I want to read the file new file.txt. Then what I'll do is I'm adding count, capital count. Cap count is equals to 0. Then low count is equals to 0. After that I'm using for loop for x in r_file dot read method. I want to read this file which is new file.txt file. If cap count, if x dot is upper method, then I am counting cap count plus is equals to 1. Again let's copy this one. I want to count the lowercase also. So if x is lowercase, lower function, instead of cap count I am adding low count. That's it. We have written the if condition to counting the capital and small letters. Then the print, if I write print here, I will get the sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, all the lower letters and capital letters, but I want sum of the total. So I am adding the print method for the for loop. Print upper letters found cap underscore count backward slash n, copy this one, then here lower letter font, instead of cap count I am adding low count. This variable I am adding. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. Count number of upper and lower letters from a file. The command is py count ulletters.py file.py letters file.py. When I click enter, notice here I got the upper letter font 0, lower letters font 56. Let's check new file.txt file. See here we don't have any upper letters. We found only lower letters which are 56. Now I am adding some capital letters, uppercase, demo. Now we have 4 letters uppercase. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the again output. When I click, Notice here upper letter font 4 and lower letter font 52. Before we got 56, now we got 52 only, lower letters. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to count number of upper and lower case letters from a file using Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.